Damian Priest has arrived.
A man who will bring judgment to all of WWE.
The following contest is a triple threat match. Making his way to the ring, representing the Judgment Day from New York City. Weighing in at 249 pounds. He is one half of the undisputed WWE Tag Team Champions, Senor Money in the Bank, Damian Priest.
Damian Priest is dead set on growing his legacy, on bringing more and more glory to his name.
And he's done just that, Cole. A modern-day bad guy picking fights and winning gold.
But it's never enough for the power-hungry Damian Priest.
A look of pure disdain on the face of Damian Priest.
Well, it's because he has passed judgment on the entire WWE Universe and has found them all unworthy.
And his opponents, first, representing the Viking Raiders from Valhalla, weighing in at 305 pounds, IVAR!
The powerhouse of the Viking Raiders, a shockingly agile big man.
A ferocious look in his eyes. IVAR is ready to dominate.
First comes the brutality, then comes the pillaging. One of the all-time greats in NXT, now bringing his black heart to WWE.
And representing DIY from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, weighing in at 201 pounds, TOMMASO Ciampa!
A multiple-time NXT champion, and has also held the NXT tag titles.
And more main roster accolades undoubtedly on the way.
Awareness is the key for a triple threat where one mistake can cost you the match. We are underway here with Damian Priest, IVAR, and Tommaso Ciampa.
Never a moment of respite in these triple threat bouts. Each superstar will have to be very deliberate with all of their actions. You don't want to have any wasted motion, any wasted energy.
Slam.
Suplex. Absolutely spiked.
DDT.
Super kick. Super kick.
Hoisted up.
Suplex. He steps foot in the ring again. He's absorbed some damage already. Ooh.
Forearm to the jaw.
No disqualifications has to benefit a certain type of superstar more than others, doesn't it, Corey?
Get off your high horse, Cole. And no disqualifications match benefits the superstar who's smarter, faster, and better. Using the rules to your advantage doesn't make you the villain here.
DDT! His shoulders are down! That could have been it right there.
Wow, Running leg drop, bulldog. Great ups. Sent into the corner.
Oh, meet the backside of an elbow.
Priest timed that one.
Neck breaker. The damage he's taken is starting to pile up.
Driven down with a sidewalk slam.
Oh, man, inverted backbreaker. Ow. He must have had that scouted.
Nice clothesline.
Taking this one back to the ring now.
Vicious right forearm.
Oh, and a forearm.
And he's able to reverse. Now that'll do some serious damage. Sidewalk slam.
Oh, kick to the face.
Ciampa's attack is thwarted.
Super kick.
Oh, look at the knees.
Burying knees into the body.
Nothing was being held back with each of those strikes.
Bringing a steel chair into play here.
Hammerlock now into a lariat. Oh, and he breaks up the pin.
Oh, man.
He's looking a little weary now.
Hanging tough as this match progresses. No easy task in the cover.
Running interference.
Suplexes, slams, and bombs are all painful, but being slapped like that is humiliating.
You would know, Saxton.
Dropped on the crown. Off into the pin.
Still a ways to go in this match based on that.
He's rummaging for some sort of equalizer underneath the ring. And this match will head back to the ring.
And he has free reign to the outside with no countouts to worry about. He has a kendo stick in hand, and this place just turned into South Swanson Street.
DDT plants them.
Boom! Knee right to the face.
Oh, this, what a headbutt. He can pin his opponent right here. A kick out, and you can see the frustration starting to build.
Keeping a lot.
IVAR set up. Drives him down. Will that stop Priest?
And he stops the count.
Oh, you can tell he's feeling it now. This
Butterfly double underhook up and
fairy tale ending. Ciampa might just have it. Slips out of the way there. What reflexes?
wow. This is turning into Swanson Street.
Right in the mat, face first.
Certainly wasn't pretty. Taking a moment to get pumped off of this crowd's incredible energy.
Across the top rope with a neck breaker. If you're looking to cause quick, sharp damage, you can't go wrong with the kendo stick.
Tommaso Ciampa in quite a bind.
Yeah, he's got to dig deep and find another win if he wants to stay in this. Taking this moment to tease him with the kendo stick.
Oh, a kendo stick wrapped around their head.
And what a maneuver we just saw there.
Boom! DDT! A terrifying look for Ivar's opponent.
He'll take things into the ring.
Landing the uppercut.
Any more hits in that area could leave him dizzy.
Priest dodges out of that.
Oh, saw it coming.
Super kick! You have to wonder, how much more can Ciampa take? This could be his last stand.
Into the chop block, and debilitating counter there. Uh-oh. And Priest fends him off.
Back elbow completely cuts them off.
Here we go. Inverted DDT.
Oh my gosh!
Man, hoping to end it here. Forces the shoulder up after two.
There's some shock in the arena after that kick out.
Off the ropes.
From down below, ouch!
He turns it around.
Ooh.
And IVAR fight. He could pin his opponent right here. It's over. And there's the breakup, just in the nick of time.
After all we've seen, these men are still not finished.
There's a fire burning inside these competitors that won't allow them to quit.
Forearm right to the jaw.
Boom, running STO plants him.
Nicely done.
Priest knows what he needs to end this.
Damian Priest, grip locked in.
South of heaven.
Tommaso Ciampa hit hard.
There's two. And he breaks up the count. Kick to the midsection.
IVAR set up. Samoa driver. Can IVAR close things out?
That could have been it right there.
Oh my Lord! Just mounted with punches and a stop to the gut too.
That should do it right there. He gets the kick out after the one. I don't know what more this superstar can do to put him away. Powerless position to be in right now. Targeting the throat there. He thinks he has it. And he fights it off. All right, back to it, returning to the ring.
Wow, running leg drop bulldog. Great ups.
Ciampa on the psycho cutter. Oh, strong impact. Feed off the WWE Universe. This place is starting to rock.
Knee strike.
Ooh, what a damaging blow. Shoulders down. Priest gets a huge win tonight.
Here is your winner, Senor Money in the Bank, Damian Priest.
What a performance. Huge win here in this triple threat match.
Yeah.